Hey friends, winter's coming before we know it, even though it's super hot outside. So when I was at Walmart, I saw a really cute hoodie. It's blue with a zipper, and I'm going to wear it to teach. So I ordered from Etsy a teacher vinyl that says Teacher Evelyn Joy. I'm going to iron it on. Here's how I do it. So I got out the ironing board and plugged in the iron, and I need to change it to, cotton. So that's second to hottest is cotton. Okay, now I put my hoodie on the ironing board while this is heating up, and I'm going to remove the backing to this. Okay, so I removed the backing to it. I'm gonna stick it on. Okay, so I stuck it on how I want it. Now I'm starting to iron it. If you've ever done those tattoos with water, it's like that. You have to keep checking it and keep ironing it. I've been ironing this for about 5 minutes and it's getting close. I'm careful not to leave the iron on there because it could burn it, but I do check it every so often to see how it's doing. It's getting close, but not quite there. Check it out, it's happening, it's happening. Cool. Had to keep ironing it. It wasn't quite ready yet. Okay, it took 10 minutes of ironing, and now it's finally working somewhat. Okay, I'm coming from this angle here. Cool. Yes. Whew. Yay! Okay, it's all one piece. It's a little bit flawed, but it's good. Then you use this again just to iron it on better, but be careful of the hole. Looks awesome. Let's try it on. I love it. Yay! Thanks for watching. Bye!